Alright, here I am on campus. It's 6:40. I'm looking for my laptop and I'm parking here at the library. And good to see that there's not that many people here. This library parking lot is usually packed up. My car lights are on. So hopefully the building's open, but maybe not. We'll see. Alright, let's see if the building's open. Oh, damn it. It's really empty in here. It's usually not this empty. Yeah, so unfortunately they haven't opened yet, but at least I got the number from the guy in front of the circulation desk at the library. It's like 55 degrees, it's really cold. Alright, I'm back on campus and I called the education office and see if anything was turned in, and nothing was turned in, but there's a class meeting in that room right now, and I'm hoping the custodian staff didn't do a good job of cleaning and it left there, and maybe somebody turned it in now. And I'm on the 5th floor of the parking garage, which is always terrific because now I get to walk down 5 flights of stairs, which isn't the problem, but it is a problem at the end of the day when I'm tired and I have to walk back up. So fingers crossed, hopefully it's
you gon' hear about it. Breezy red 2 up, 2 down, but I'm just putting 2 up, chucking up the deuce now.
I was like, oh no, he did it. He's expected it.
I saw the beat.
I know.
If you didn't look up,
All the rappers be hating, hope the track that I'm making, but all the hustlers, they love it just to see one of us making. Came from the bottom to the top of the pops. Straight up.
See, Kato's not that bad, huh? I guess cat. What? You want to attack it? Oh no, don't lunge. Okay.
whoops. Oh.
What the?
I want to play baseball again.
They have flag football here, they have baseball, they have...
For all ages?
Huh?
For all ages?
All ages. And it's very non-competitive. It's fun. It's not one of those like... Not good, you don't play. Peter's not listening.
He's not.
Unless he's coming late. You roll over, Dan. You roll over.
Can't do it.
No, I can show you.
Dang it, now somebody else is in it. Oh, he's so.
Alright, Eagles, let's go out.
Peter, here's the ball.
Oh, it's Peter.
Now, your inhaler's in the bag, okay?
Practice is over.
Man.
If I step on it, I think I'm gonna slip off it.
Student building.
Car coming.
Why are you going to the bathroom? Because it's like super nice.
Man, get over here with this.
Dude. Let's go upstairs.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, I'm gonna go up here. This looks like a hotel. That's what it looks like. What is that, children's playroom?
Wait. There's a bunch of worship centers.
There's like 20 tables in here. Check out those DVDs down there.
Mary and Satan? Marks.
Oh.
I think.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, it's locked out. Password protected.
Football.
Marble countertops.
Go get it.
Man, no one has accuracy.
That's what you get.
See Tyler makes it.
Get to it.
Oh.
Let's go. Good job, Tyler.
Man. Thanks, Alex. Give us something about what he's doing. Oh, Tyler's up again. That was quick.
One time, Tyler. Nice. How many times have you all run?
Peter. Are they supposed to block on purpose? Like, he has a...
On each side? That's my fault.
Does he have
Mess Peter up.
What the heck was that? Did you see that?
Pathetic.
The coach just kicked it out of nowhere.
Tyler's up.
Oh, he went in. Did you save the Peter?
No, I didn't. Good big boy.
Come on,
6 foot tall guy.
Kid.
Oh. This happens. See how tall he is compared to him? That's right. Not because I'm zooming in more on him.
Sure the camera's adding some poundage to him too. It's pretty big.
One time from there. One time.
One time.
Don't let it settle.
Look how tall he is. Man. He's literally like 18 inches taller than Tyler.
Here, go get it.
Jeez. First kick. Out there. Scrimmage time. That means forget everything we learned in practice and just do whatever.
All right, Derek, game on. Where do we play that ball to?
The coach is telling him, I don't want you guys to whale it out there.
I already told him. Be mindful, that's another game. This kid, the big boy's gonna animate a boot.
And then one of the kids say, oh, that's usually me. Why does that kid have a skipper hat on?
Tyler. Aggressive, Tyler, aggressive.
Goalie, what are you doing?
That's a corner kick.
They do that here, right?
I don't know. Oh my gosh.
Hey, let's not come together. Hey, who is on the right side? Who's playing? Seth, move it a little bit. Little punch. A little more than that, buddy.
Kids on their team
A
too.
little more than that. Get it to the midfield.
Kids on their team.
There you go. All right, defenders, play it.
Mom, I put the uniforms right there.
Player, open it up. There you go. Nice. Pass it around. Switch it up. Go get it. Above my head, right? Spread out, keep it moving a little bit. Keep it moving. Don't let the defender pick you up. Follow that ball. Don't let it go out. There you go. Top of the
That was a nice kick.
This is where Josh was played all his games. I'm pretty sure it's, yeah, I don't remember if it was field 7 or not, but I remember this is where Josh was played. I think I see something for this too.
shot, Kate.
Kind of looks like a face for the sun.
JJ, get back to that ball.